traders, I'm back with another video after a long while. This is Danny Legend and you're welcome once again to Boom and Crash Expert Advisor. Today in this video I want to share with you a few helpful tips in MT5, very useful features of this software. I'm going to show you for both the PC and the phone. So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit subscribe button and turn your notification icons on for heads up when I upload new videos. So let's get to it. Before I talk about this, I would like to mention that mentorship program is still ongoing and you can enroll as a student if you have the time. If you don't have the time, the videos will still be recorded for you to access them. And for now, I have for the very for those who can't afford a higher price, you can still have access to brokers' motives and tactics and how to combat them. This comes at a very low cost. And also the mentorship is in two packages: the all year, which is 50 a month. You are not under compulsion to pay 50 every month, but you can pay for the month where you are available or you have enough funds to register. And this is one-time mentorship where everything is compressed and the lessons are done quickly so you can finish on time. So that's just about it. You can fill the form and I'll get back to you. So let's go back to the MT5 chart. While we are on our 1 minute time frame, we could, if you don't have the toolbar of time frame showing, you can just come here to view toolbars and then time frame, and you see we have M1 to MN, which is monthly. And basically you can't see all time frames at the same time. So when you're trading, all you have to be doing is changing the time frames M5, M30, H4 to see what's happening. This time around, we want to use a feature where we can actually see all time frames at the same time whilst we're trading. So we can go to insert and we go to insert objects, we go to graphical, and then we go to chart, and you see there's a plus icon that has appeared with ABC written on it. So we can click anywhere on our screen and then we have a chart. This chart, if you feel is too small, you can go to properties, parameters, and then maybe change the width to 500, change the height to 400, and then because we have 1 minute time frame on the background, you would probably set this to maybe M15. And also there are other time frames I'll show you how to add. M15, and then you can go to common, and then when you change this color, it's going to change the boundary of the rectangle. So I could set this to blue, and when I change this and I make it large, it's going to change this handle and make it huge so that it will be easy for me to drag it along. So you can have this and then you click OK. So this is going to be large, you can drag it along. So you have M15 and M1 at the same time. You can go to insert again, objects, a graphical object, which is a chart, and then click maybe the top or click this side, and then we can also change this to 500 or maybe even 400. Let's try that, and then 350, and then we change our time frame to H1. We can select the market. You can even look at another market, boom, 500, or you can look at the same market with a different time frame. Then you go here, you can change this to maybe yellow, click OK, and you are good to go. I think I mistakenly clicked one of the buttons that has left. So you can go to objects list, and then this chart you can here, and then you are good to go. So I can now select. Right, first I mistakenly disabled it, so that's it. You can also disable by doing what I did. Okay, then you could add different time frames, and the way you do that is to go to insert, you go to views, toolbars, time frames. When you've activated, I simply right clicking, customize, and these buttons are not available on our time frame, and the ones on the right are already available on our time frame. So what we can do is to maybe remove 30 minutes. So we select it and then remove, so it moves here, and then we probably want to add 2 minutes and we insert it. And when it comes here, we have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 2 minutes. So we can drag 2 minutes here, so that it's 1 2 5 instead of 1 5 15 2. Right, simple as that, descending order, and then you close it. So you have M2 here, and M2 will look like this. I can consider adding another window by tapping this icon at the top here, window, and then I click, or I tap on new window, and then I tap on this. Now it's loading, so it's taking time. Good. Then I can tap on it and change the time frame. If I want to change the market, because this is activated, you see a blue boundary line around this box. I can just go to the dollar sign at the top and change the market to boom 500, and it changes. But if I tap on the screen that is at the top, the blue boundary is going to and it's going to go around it, and then I can now tap my dollar and change that market to crash 1000. Then also I can change the colors by tapping on the screen and tapping the settings icon, and then I go to colors, the last choice at the bottom. Then I can change the colors, so I can select green on black or custom, and then it uses what I've already set for the first chart. So I click done, and then you see it turns the same. So if I should go to M1, you realize that it is the same for the window at the top and the window at the bottom, and I can choose to zoom out, and I'm good to go. So I'm watching 2 charts at the same time. It's as simple as that. I hope you like this video. Drop a like and also subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and bye.